Over the next few weeks, you are going to be studying in great detail the English language. You're going to learn all about punctuation and all manner of details about how to put together a great piece of writing, how to communicate effectively, and all of it is perfectly useless if you just go ahead and leave it in the text, or if you think that you can do it perfectly the very first time you write. You can't. In fact, nobody can. Authors and professional writers hire people called copy editors to come through and fix all of the mechanical mistakes that they include in their writing. This is after the authors themselves have gone through and looked at it very carefully. Writing is not something that you get right the very first time. That's a good thing. The reason why we are studying everything that we are studying in the next few weeks here is so that we can go through when it's time and find the errors and the mechanics of our writing, find the grammatical errors, and that's a process called copy editing. It's a good thing to do. Tips for copy editing include giving some space and time between when you've written the piece and when you're going back through and editing it. Often in the real world and often in this class, you're not going to have the ability to do that. At the very least, give yourself a few moments between when you've hammered something out and when you go back through, take some time to look at it again. The other thing I would highly recommend you do to copy edit is to read your work out loud. Spoken language is not the same as written language. However, when you read out loud the things that you have written, you will find the reason why all of that punctuation is in there, the reason why you have your subject and verb agreement set up just right. It won't make sense. You'll stumble around while reading it, and that's a good indication that those are areas that you need to copy edit. Again, your text does a great job, the Longman writer does a great job of going through and talking about how to copy edit. It is only useful if you actually do it. So I strongly recommend, with any piece of writing that you do, take some time after you've done thinking about what you're saying to go back through and take a look at how you're saying it.